Hi guys, welcome back to Blush and Bling. This is me Nayan and hope you guys are doing amazing. Now this video is all about makeup and skincare haul. I got the best deals on Myntra and Nykaa and I got free samples from Nykaa guys. So I'm gonna be sharing a review, showing you some products that I got from Nykaa, Myntra and those sites in the Diwali sale. Yes, so there were many sales going on during this festive season. I have some products which are like star product and there are a few products that are like okayish, and I'm going to tell you which products are overhyped also. Always I used to do unboxing on my Instagram, but I wanted to give a proper review as you guys had already requested me. So I posted on Instagram about this product to guess what is this, and you guys have voted for nail paint liquid eyeshadow guys. Many products over here and I'm going to be showing you each one of them and reviewing them, so stay tuned till the end. Do not skip this video. Before moving on to the video, if you guys are new here and seeing this face for the first time, hi, I'm Nayan and I make videos related to beauty, makeup, fashion, travel, lifestyle, basically everything entertaining, so you will not regret subscribing to the channel. So please do it right away, it's for free, and also hit the notification bell so you will get more and more updates from Blush and Bling. So yeah, without further ado, let's move on to the video. The first product here that I'm going to be talking to you about is this Kiehl's Under Eye Cream. Now this is one product that I completely swear by, and this is my, I think, a fourth tub. Okay, and this is a very small tub that we get for around 225 rupees. So this cream here has a very good texture. It has this very creamy texture and light yellow color. Just have to take a dot, not too much, and just apply it under your eyes and massage it in circular motion around your eyes in this way and not the other way around. And it's only 14 grams of product and it is quite on the higher end, but with this I got 5 free Kiehl's sample sachets with it. So I got these 5 sample sachets with it, and there was an amazing offer going on Kiehl's, so you have to check out for these high-end products where you can buy just one product for like 1500 or 2000. You'll get many free samples and you can try them on, and then you can get to know whether this product suited you well or not, and you can then go for your purchase. So this is a very sensible idea. So I've got a 5 sachets. One is a face wash. This is a foaming face wash. As you can see, it's cut over here. I have used it already, half of it. Basically you have to use a very small pump, and these products you can, if you're using it on daily basis, it can last up to 7 days. So yeah, this one I have just used it for like 2 or 3 days, and it's mainly for oily skin type, and mine is dry to normal. So this is not very good for me, but I really love the formula, like how my skin felt very squeaky clean. So this one for oily people is a must have. This is like amazing. Actually the Kiehl's brand is itself on a higher end, but if you are really facing some skin problems and looking for the right product, try and invest something more and get a very good product. And I think Kiehl's is a very trusted brand and I trust it completely. So you guys can get your hands on such sachets and try them on yourself. So next here is a facial oil-free gel cream. This is again for oily skin people. I have not used it yet, and especially in this winter my skin is literally so flaky, like it's so dry, so I don't think I'm gonna use it, but I'm gonna definitely give it to some of my friends. So next we have is this facial fuel cream, sorry, not cream, face wash. This is for men's, so I'm gonna give it to my dad. A lot of guy friends ask me what face wash to use and so confused, they don't know which one to buy and which one not. I can tell you, if you have a bigger budget, you can definitely go for this one, because I have heard so many reviews from so many celebrities that this face wash does wonder to their skin. It will just treat your skin like so well, and it's a gel cleanser, so very good for oily skin people who have oily T-zone, this will work really well. Next is my favorite product. This is the Kiehl's sunscreen, and this is so amazing. It has SPF of 50, and I have used it twice and thrice, and this one is really good. And if you guys are looking for a very good sunscreen, if you guys are going on a vacation thing and you really need that extra defense against the UV sun rays, like it hydrates the skin, it gives that glow, and it's protecting your skin against the UV rays. Like, it's amazing. I really love this one. Next we have is a wrinkle pore reduction cream. This is a night cream again, and I have not used it yet, but yeah, definitely want to use it. Right now I'm just too much obsessed with my vitamin C serum, so I'm not using anything else at night. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a night care routine from me, like I can do a proper video out of it. So yeah, this one again good for people who have crossed their age of 25. You guys can start using this. This will definitely do wonders. Next product that I have is this Nykaa Wing Blink liner. I have already used it multiple times in so many of my videos. Really sorry for the background noise. My home is just near the main road. It has this very sleek tip, and it's a felt tip liner, and the other side has this stencil, and you can create a very nice liner, a winged liner look with this. But actually somehow it just didn't work for me. Like the wing will not be perfect, and it will be all crooked, and I have to work around on it, and it's just too much extra work. So I thought I quite didn't like it. It was quite pricey when I compare it with my other felt tip liners, and it's always out of stock, and I was thinking like it's such an overhyped product. Use it as a normal felt tip liner, it will be very good. Not the best liner I would say, but yeah, the Color Bar one is very good if you're looking for a good felt tip liner. So people who are wondering what is felt tip, so a liner that looks like this, like a sketch pen, is called a felt tip liner. And yes, these liners are very good for beginners. So beginners over here watching this video can go for a felt tip liner. I would not say that this one is the best liner, but you can get the Color Bar one or the Lakme Precision liner. That one was very good. So you can get those ones, but this is also like okay, like I'll give just 3 out of 5 I think. So next product is this liquid lipstick. It's the Superstay Matte Ink by Maybelline. The shade is Inspirer. If you're looking for a really nice pink, this is your shade, and it looks perfect. Like, I'll just swatch it down for you guys. So it looks somewhat like this. Pretty pink. It's not too dark and it's not too light, so I think it works really well. And it's Superstay lipstick. It literally stays for more than 24 hours for me. It's super awesome, and I love all this range. I have another shade of this one. It's called, I think, Versatile, or I always go for this Superstay Matte Ink range because it is super awesome. So now comes the star product of this video, which is this one. So this is the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette, and it comes in this huge, very nice black and gold packaging, and it says rich in color shadow palette, and the palette looks somewhat like this. So it looks like this. It is a heavy box and it's very big, so it's not travel friendly or all. And how the palette looks right now, and it's totally new. I've used it like 3-4 times only, and I'm planning to do many looks with this palette. So there are total 28 shades, and we have some neon bright shades. If you can see over here, it comes with a big mirror also. Shimmery shades that are available. One is Flames, which is a very beautiful red. I'll just show it over here. So it's such a nice shimmery shade, and I just love all the colors in this palette. If you are someone who is looking for a bright palette, and all-in-one kind of palette, this is a right palette for you. I know it's a little bit on the higher end, but you can always look for some sales that are going on Myntra and Nykaa. I would always suggest Nykaa because I had a very bad experience with Myntra. It is a little bit on the higher end. It is 2800, but I got it in a very great deal on Myntra. I got it for like 1280 rupees, but I received a damaged product. So I was so upset with Myntra, but then I reordered it and I got it for like 1500 rupees. I think they have done a very good job. Makeup Revolution has the best eyeshadow palettes, I can tell you. So in today's video we saw all the skincare and makeup products, and some were good, some were okay. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about each product and which one was your favorite. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, comment down below your favorite part, and also comment what do you want me to shoot next. I already have some concepts in mind, but I would always love to hear your feedback and what you guys want to see from me. So thank you so much for all the love and support. We will meet next week in the next video. So bye bye.